Hi guys, and welcome to your energy project. I know we've been doing a lot of projects together lately, but I think it's a really great way to show you how scientists really work. Most of what we do in science is research and a little bit of experimentation, but you gotta know what the world knows before you actually do your own experiments. But anyways, today we're going to be completing a research project on energy acquisition or getting energy. You're going to pick from the list below fossil fuels, nuclear, solar, wind, biomass, geothermal, hydropower. You're going to create a presentation on the energy source that answers the following questions. On each slide should be, or each of these little bullet points, there we go, should be a different slide. So you're going to pick one of these energy sources and you're going to complete some research on it. You're going to tell me how this energy source is created or transformed into usable energy for humans. You might show me on the next slide a picture, or you will, of this energy source or the machines used. Perhaps this is even a collage. On the next slide, I want you to list the pros of this energy source for me. So what's good about them? Why do we use them? On the next slide, I want you to list the cons or the not so good things of this energy source. And then I want you to tell me your opinion on the use of this energy source after researching it. So after you research and figure out the pros and the cons and tell me how, I want you to decide whether or not you think we should be using this energy source. Why or why not? Your last slide is going to include your citation, so if you use a source, which you will use a source to do this, you need to put it onto the last slide of your presentation. Simply copy and paste the URL. If this is not in your presentation, you can only earn 50% credit. Each question should be a new slide. The presentation should be professional and well designed. That's worth 5 points. On Friday, we're going to be presenting this project in class. If you don't show up to the 10 a.m. Zoom to present, you'll need to do a recording of yourself presenting the project. This is worth 10 points of the final project. So 10 points come from the presentation, which happens on Friday at not 10 a.m. but 8 a.m. I will change that 8 a.m. I will change it right now so you know. 5 points of it comes from making it professional, 8 a.m., making it professional and readable and something that people enjoy and it's engaging. And the rest of the 15 points comes from each of these slides right here. Alright guys, so this is a 2-day project. The first day is research and creation of your presentation. The second day is the actual presentation. 30 points total. You will turn in the slides, the presentation, and then either the video recording or if you do it in class, I will check your name off on a checklist. Have a great day, guys. Remember 8 a.m. Zoom to show up to present your project. If you have any questions, email me. Goodbye.